Sick with it, no COVID. Black clouds break open. Rain down black roses. I smell the rose, I'm focused. The game's cold, but I'm frozen. The lane's cold, but I'm bowling. All mama, no commas. All around, no borders. All eyes take notice. Recognize my importance. Never die, I'm a forward. Got the culture on my shoulders.
Never come now here the stories anymore at the amount of pay. Now, my main front to them say our Germany, no, medical to them say, na and a Bobokua. Your fan say Leverkusen and a Bamutin Timino. Woman, you so game about so that GTA Samatway. Yakawan Sam and say, okay, I lost this, you know. Yabina Bobokua say Leverkusen. Woman J, I yet dear you Pocalano, I yet German cab and what from Sanchez Media. Your fan is a bonus league, and some other crime nights and a woman yet defending champions and a Bobokua. Your fan say Bamuchin on my 20 time. I yet dear you Pocal champions, and some other Babashana. I did back on say, where I chose I yet dear Casabako and some other coffee omuntumin twaso esansa anko no normal day no anasa bia season aba start na ye bisa so when na baje bia pokaw na wa mo ba mo china boboboku a ye fa no say Leverkusen wa mo Leverkusen a wa mo ba bia Leipzig no na fe what omo ma kan nyina no ensom na dia so na mo say ye si kwan nyina no ensom a chance dwumadi a across our run of 16 we know ensom aye German cup aye there ba mo chi an Leverkusen bako ensom na ba kofie na game aba so report to me nyina no ensom arasa ba mo chi tim no wo mo aye ready and eboboku a ye fa no say Leverkusen tim no wo mo som aye set our brasa game no and some apostle na mama front to say yes say one but the last time I come so ba mo chi tim no wo mo din kunum of eboboku a ye fa no say Leverkusen and no ensom aye 2019 aye 2020 final our Jumedia and some across our cup match no na chesa na the only last time about sa ba mo chi tim no and some anyam kunum di of eboboku a ye fa no Leverkusen our no and some aye pokal and that way aye chance at the man team ni no sa ba mo chi eboboku no and some aba mo no na manager na ye fa no sa Vincent company fa no me was same otiri about the last time
it's difficult because you can go back and watch last 10-15 games whatever we played between the two games. They're a team who's capable to press really hard and they've done it in recent games, man for man almost, and they've been really aggressive, but they're also a team who's able to be really compact and like they did against us in the last game and solid, whatever the system is, whether it's a 5-4-1 or 4-4-2, just to talk about systems, it's difficult because you can go back and watch the last 10-15 games, whatever we played between the two games. They're a team who's capable to press really high, and they've done it in recent games, man for man almost, and have been really aggressive, but they're also a team who's able to be really compact and like they did against us in the last game and solid, whatever the system is, whether it's a 5-4-1 or 4-4-2, just to talk about systems. I see a team with they have variety, they can choose to do many things, and for us I think it's still a case of just being aware of what our strengths are as well in a game like this and to bring that forward. It's difficult because you can go back and watch the last 10-15 games, whatever we played between the two games. They're a team who's capable to press really hard, and they've done it in recent games, man for man almost, and have been really aggressive, but they're also a team who's able to be really compact and like they did against us in the last game and solid, whatever the system is, whether it's a 5-4-1 or 4-4-2,
aye colors na chese laces ani ade ye benya players apinano na omuso lace enso aye rainbow colors ni nyina no enso aye ne omu yiso no teboa ne kan se bia obia chese ye je nyina etum se ye tuntum se bia wo ye kokoye nyina no ye nipa ba ko ye se obi na pa ba bia wode ne kaka bomb se dententi ene ye so obi yo ba no se wone ne yonko ba ene be twi so ne ne ye mramram ko mramram eno ano no obi som aya bema no say one ne yonko bema na che so mo ba yira ka so mpamu abama woni hwe ka se de anka bi ade yi I was say cross multiplication na mo ya ma dena kwakwa power law ni nyina no enom aba ba ha dwempatiri nyina no ye say aya LGBTQ plus no we ensom anyo mo ye to bo sense rainbow abama na che se colors pinano ensom no to mo hye say wo ye captain anama team bia no I was say bo aya rainbow armband ampa ama from boy na ma Crystal Palace boy na ye fa say my gay onye na my gay ana jame say kan say one na armband boy ya enom aya rainbow colors answer the medical chiro mi na che say bia se ya tetu ya na sampo bia wo de no say nyamesum awo mu a won support sanio ma no na boy ne che na armband ana say the maka ekotwe I love Jesus ekuso na che say mo be say mo ye nyina na masa edin bi a won me so che edin nyina enti wo twere ade ekuso na che say message ne mom so timi akata aye mom message na mo be say mo send no so esan say the moment wo bo so obon armband anya wani ensom ababa so I love Jesus I know your message about here your father say my gay ediku ne armband no so report am nya no say efe empanfo no wo mo so abetime the charge ade abono na wo ba no aba betrechem dentia ye de armband amao no the message I to say egusu no nyina no ba no no so aba betrechem no ensom kakre from aso adepa na match a weekend di aba so our bro nyame ya duma watena na chesa midweek mom eno so aba so Liverpool team no won ko akwakobo aye Newcastle United no aye game nyame ya duma aye otena ana sa game no eno so aba so Liverpool akwa away na yesi akwara na fa no sa Alexander Isaac ese ne ho atono na na man for some our problem and was I no cry na when your back pain ama sa back pain e chiri bramo no ehom ana no problem ewo na jobeso kan nyina no sa ne back pain no na ha dwena su ne oyo okay oyo fine a chese bibia chese nyame yar mo chena wo mu game eba so se coach na ye fa no se edi how apankwari akoda no ensom na betimi asia kan tia bobo kwa no se Liverpool we no ensom aye big match ana eba so na report amenya no se Liverpool team no omo trade o betimi bia se na be akoda na I trained Alexander Arnold and so extend the contract and your team no yabeka unsempi makaka kamekrano ya jamin sase jamin senya no no pen say yesem omo boy na abesine wo munya progress bia wasadane so wo musen kuma mo dini nyina no a rich impasse e wa bra no ensom achese automatically na chese progress enya de se no ensom abam se bia ye kwa ni mo na nke bia ba ma kwara na tia sena what pen ebesi paper so no yesi bibia no me chesa enioma nsom akoye ade amasan komodie no na Mohamed Salah so ye player ba ko a am say na Liverpool team ni nyina no wo mo twesa sa player no wono nsom abestante na no ya osan ko ball esa be kind of contract asem ama wo kai se enra mesade no nsom abema na Mo Salah do mo bisa coach na ye fans ana slot shark mama slot on Salah contract no ana omo bisa no so pani mo bom aye Man City area enro ye you know aye Salah esa be kasa ebetimi abasa Man City game no and the last game of area team Man City and some our Anfield na anya bia no una wo ho no krana ana coach ne say ebia Mo Salah 115 charges amodi abo aye Man City no ebia woni mu bi ebia onum say bia City ebedi for ama chese City for demotion akomon amoma ko championship no mo na chese automatically say City edi for no mo ko championship no mo dia na ne confirm say ayampa when the last game our no Mohamed Salah ebo area team Man City our Anfield wo carry no so was mo agro and odie or say sisubiem agro and odie emamo mechanics say na coach ne say na Salah nim Man City di for we no question obisa na asa debia mo bisa no contract asem debia the same old answer and what dema mo to no agro osremo mamo nkwankwa kan say de wan kan na afei enkofa sem bi ama on more contract yenti ana slot.
And also of Chelsea, I think it is important, but it's also the culture of this club that it's for us it's not a that special special thing to be on top of the league or to be on top in the Champions League format. Although that is special because it never been before. Normally you have a different group in the Champions League. But this club, this team, these players are used to the fact that they're top of the league or they are competing for every trophy. So then it helps that they've experienced this. They also have experienced this, that they competed for a long time and then in the end they came too short. They couldn't manage to win it. So they also know that it's a long season and to win the league against the likes of Chelsea, Arsenal and City, because I see those three as our main competitors at the moment. They all know that we have to be. I think it is important, but it's also the culture of this club that it's, for us, it's not a that special thing to be on top of the league or to be on top in the.
Whoa, and some manager and to Jawa Breno and some on contract and send some in Yabeniano at Jama Joe Bono or say Premier League title race no watching our Omon Conco Jagres and Newcastle a Timba Comoha jump party the moment. Everybody said I won't drop points at the Tiabobokua. Your friend said Newcastle or say League no a Chelsea Ebetimia had Jane what Arsenal as a Dina Fay was Sandy Bobo Crefan said Man City as so and no man a shack on Salah then I ready I will say the contract and send something and when I grow and what did Tomon Koka Nankom Sebia Obeka 115 charges Nampo Ebia say City at Timothy I know and about chance the last game between Man City and Liverpool our Anfield away and so big game about to a most Salah bet me abono was say I grow and what the say ready I am quite fe Yanti manager fans and a slot.
Maybe Mo knows more about the 115 acquisitions that are done, so he expects them not to be in the Premier League next season. And I do expect them in the Premier League. No, I think the boring answer is always the same. This is not the place for me to talk about Mo's contract, and maybe I've said already too much about the joke I just made, so that will probably get the headlines. But it was a joke. I repeat, it was a joke. Maybe Mo knows more about the 100.
Yes, indeed. Many now just was all repeat a grow and what did on Seminole and no some I don't know Yamia Mubiamuswa watchina and a big game at Barcelona Arsenal Bobo Kuno and some of fear Bobo game the Atia Manchester United ya transfer manager your friend Mikel Arteta pre-match conference no and also Abaso Jamensa Canasa we drew London at lunchtime and Arsenal and some manager pre-match Jumediano and also I basun tiabara sanya bia players ni bi aye fit Calafiori nom and Chesebia pattern no boys can no woman some atesa aye day wo mabusana about the opposite number your friend say Ruben Amorim our brain no run by wo kwa Ipswich afei wo bo aye Bodo Glimt abo Everton Chesena no aye performances a manager aye day ateta wo some mabusana bi and some na phone and ya coach no now Ruben Amorim and one and Kumojo Dia and a pre-match conference about Sudaminia and a report I'm a second and some others Amorim say so far by a matches about Boninano Robert Miaka say Arsenal and by far one of the best team amongst a teams are no more a matches Kakrabi or more wasam and some what kind of son and also say be a matches from Abano here was it can be a Mabobian a test Amabokua your fan say Manchester United so what no cry somebody Arsenal and so far I'm the best opponent mind you and Mobabeshia Yentie manager Fanasa Ruben Amorim
the best team that we faced by far but the test is every game. If you see the last game yesterday was really tough. It was a 4-0, but you see it the game like I see it. So everything now is a test without so much minutes to train, trying to manage the numbers of minutes for a lot of players. You cannot try to imagine one game. You have to know that some players have to be out of the pitch in 60 minutes, 70 minutes, so it's really hard in this moment. Everything is a test, but Arsenal is, for me, I know that is hard for Manchester United to say, but they are in the different points of their team. They are in the different moments.
Yes, and I am Manchester United coach. And I'll tell you, Ruben Amorim, I want something, you know. Emma, you're for now. You didn't carry about 2 from last week. Abasa, man, you up a left wing back. Now, just a Ben Kumsuano, when you look so money, Tara, Malasia, Masambema, and you're grown, Yabadia, probably or flying. Almost say, Germany, Akadana Fansa, David Ram, oh no, Anna, Geminian, Sasana, Sampanofono, and some Amonitano. Now, Ram, and you'll be at the Tanasa tournament. Woman, some Nakobia, Kodanosunya, chances to Ramo. Now, Sasiam no cast on your beer with bra. Yes, sir, when your problem, and some just an ankle. Now, so I'm to the Abasa Cotano, the contract, our Leipzig, our about 2027. And T. Ayatiana, so Muquanimo, no pushing your burning plan in your pride in Tibia. I uncle Kakan Tomiana, woman to the Abasa Ben Kumsuano, and on some other Manchester Caribbean, and some answer Manoka, as I say, yes, say, Nano game about so Sunday, and some our Italy, our Brahono, I have Valda Mari Stadium Hono, Manchester Foco Scoute, our Brana, Juve, and some Abomu Gamino, now game about so against Aya Leche, Yasomo Monita, Patrick Dogu, oh no, and some Maya Kodabian and Sanity, Ababatoka, Patrick Dogu, no, Mayu for an Alpano, Abiam Ayam Bobokua, Yafana said Juve, Omakotana, Yafana said Canan, Shoudes, and also I want Tantano, Baby Alejandro Ganacho at Tanamasa, when you born the Bob Bruta, you just say, one shot number 10, Emma Juve, Yaudes, and so Yakodabi, and second, Manchester Bobokuno, and some Monitana, and no, and some update, Abanano being able to just now, you say, Enzo Aya Fernandez, I say, when you're happy, our Chelsea, I'm about to say, I let you come, to be normal Linkena Bassane, Aya Real Madrid Munya, Aya Chelsea, Akotaya, woman some Pajama, can say, yes, Enzo say, one about so succeeding our Chelsea, one country be as well, and a new man, Tiana, Combian, and Senna on time starting matches, no, winning my now winning Timamo Maya, and Yabi Mono, Pasuo, Quanario status, what's up, Bono, what shall go, what German of the match award, about the last but 1 match, matches, and some Ayamotoba Cotana, your fans, Enzo, so Adama Tuna, on Semino, yet Emma, yet for an pay, and some our shoulders, Manoka say, I said, Jaminian, who ram our Bobo Covers of Bonsa, a ball and a tree. Now, Bonsa came and a tree, a personal. When I am match, I was a Bonsa for me, the last 3 matches out of possible 9 points, Unya 1 over 9. And I said, you are any draw a Kukotina, Yadena, some NHS in a near church, okay. But there's a what's saying here now? Report to me, say, can I say? Mayoka and some and a bouncer for game at Barcelona. Coach in the squad and about squad in here. I just a boys and one who come omni. I just woman, you know, so I must start game. No, as the motive of my Mr. was a walk about us. Now, when you mind, and I say, Boss, where you dead, a boss at Jinasune, you was I say 1 over 9. And one of us have always went down. No, now many Janus cried in your way, and then against Mayoka for the Massa ball. Ha! Only Mayoka for Moya. Who said the best comment? So far as I say, Mayoka win over 2.5. Now, just and a back can be also Bassa and some Atuomo. Now, Jaminian say, Omo out of this squad. Woman some other start Lami Jamal Massa. Baby a dromosomon pen, Awoyo, Waya BNA, Yaman or 9 crowning tour overstarted. Say, now the woman because I say, woman, you're not to the Mazamon Prince, you know, now just a Rafinha, no, and Lewandowski, many January vete akon formation now no some type omachi aye Dani Olmo and a Pedri and a Mal Casado ebiem Alejandro Barde Inigo Martinez Pauku Bansi and Jules Kunde now for a goalkeeper Nyaki Penya among a starting game no Ajama Basa na Enra say almost say training na omoye no President Aya Walla Porter buy. Now the moment about training, not just a president Abano, just a new be shut down because Medicamba can and Romandesa will be among 125 years. Now anniversary so not the same weekend, Mortina Fi Adi 2-1 when a show Las Palmas Jane, president Rabani, beside coach, let him sound quite a better. What do you mean? I answer flick or come from here, some part, one of Porter about training, or by a day, young Kasama, young Tia Flick, Asama. What did you got for Bonsa? One more president,
Yes, of course. He was here today, but he is often here. It was not the first time, so I also spoke with him. And of course, I congratulate him about the event, because he is doing really great. We not so much on Saturday about the match, because we want to give them a present. We were not able to that for the 3 points, so it's a little bit a mess. But at the end, it's I think today I spoke about to fight, not only to play football, we also have to fight, and this is very important. Okay, I'm normally I was a player more for this attitude. I normally I don't like to lose. I don't like to lose, and I think we have to create more this.
And again, some FC Barcelona a coach, and I'll tell your dinner accepts Emma Natchez. I said you do birthday. Natchez, I will say you'll be a broad present or more. One birthday, and your 2 months I will crown on my chassis about the road. And January, I am a birthday, and Adam must have your Jenny and what's your nothing. I was that birthday, your mother, brother, grand Rio, Tiano, birthday, and I'm over the road. Now, I said, you're being going to say, say nankomo so mo de aye win aye present am Barcelona na mom amana santi nyuma udro bi ni ndoma bi egba mu a also mo hye mo kena na nyina no also mo ye omo defend as a unit omo konso a also mo ko eno ye ne omo start season no na cheso mo ye ne kama so nei ene ma sesa ama obaka eno ameka chosa ade na aye outside trap omo setting ye no ene teams ni nyina yuzi ade punish FC Barcelona me no kasa no wo mo twanso mo so betimi asesa no na okay so mo bo El Clasico ya de betu twasa Barca konane Real Madrid by 4-0 amanfo bi kwatena stance no ko di Lamine Yamal atem sebi oye tuntum na oya dey na drain wa ball socks so ball na chese beju kwadu di akoda ya tamo a na yesi emperfortuna so de menya na no pen se omo ye sa ne no nipa ba mi anu bi de emperfor no ensa kan omo na report amensa kan se nipa tu na wo ye Real Madrid supporters a wo abuse Lamine Yamal racially no yesi abeye fine omo beje na omo je fine wi a wo bi anso aba serve aya ni a ye kan se stadium ban na stadium ban no aye 1 year na ni nyina no sa ayade se omo mi no yeso omo sa ye man no ntina ma de na kwakwa se ye sa de a anka omo kodam na fine no aye between 4,000 ekosi 5,000 euros ano aye fine as supporters ni mi no ebetua ebiam aye 1 year additional ban abeko ade ama sa supporters ni mi no anom aye punishment aba na report amenya no sa na September the past base na otwemi ensam ekobasa busumi die no metene na no pensa manager ye fa no Carlo Ancelotti ye se wa famu pa ye ka so bia famu a na se hit ye se aba manager ne so na hit ne nya hit ketwa sa se free suro and ba na the moment so free suro no wonim sam aye Florentino Perez no and chasam perfu aka Jose Maria Angel Sanchez mo ne Emilio Butragueño wo mo na di hit no enso aba ye se manager no etiri ba so o ma nya fair adea on se no mo results enkwen an ana wontimi nya nkwada ne ye ne ama wo Mbappe no ho no mo nyina ya no makogu benkum ana mo ntimi mo boni ye ana na deliver chese sanu mani nyina no aba besena twam ekọ na manager ne fu se okase wo central defender wobi ya Tobiama wakasam upper striker wobi ya Fabiama eya amosan ya Madrid and ya de ya behye ya de ya be bon ya nimbona den sa na mom na request to the ban nyina no mon sosom ama no ana ne nyina chiri ya brabia no try no grind no anya no results at the titles at ya mamo na mom do moment o so musum ya bibi ma na mosom nya na results enkodia mudi hit ana ba ma manager ne fu sa wo mosom ana owura na endini no owura fa no say Guti, one was Mbappe. Menya hufuo sa penalty story na me yen enra and some other update na no person say ya penalty by Jude Echo Boy, and my manager confirm yes, Jude, and I know also ball. Now, for sound by now, watch a ball. Eddie Akoma Rodrigo said, Bama, Jawadi Yakobo was all Jacobo Hana reference upon out to the ground, and Yanjina because I'm a consulting far. Now, I'm a casa in Bumpy, and some Ayobia or your coward. Now, Guti, I say, the moment I saw kill insecurity, Sabia, I am Shesho, Nebi, I won't shall I know who need Sabia, I don't know about what will be a son or unfold. And today, when my mama said penalties, I will say, I was on Cabon, Wunyaku could draw far, one for a quarter of Africa, some more. Now, just a non the moment I have a ball. Now, so the amount of a Chesabi, I don't know, I say, Usro, I'm a Chesanin, and some Kaka feel goody, and some Aswad about players, and so a Jack Dawa, Chesania jacket, crying answer, Luis Enrique, and the boys, yes, I am and Tiasa, and I may tell, sir, yes, a French formano. Pina sorry Eddie Tia Menijano Bakom almost say Usman Dembele Ayobia Okao and a personal Kimpembe one some almost say Menijano system Roman in Jeho mo pass sign to me for boy and Quantum Kwaya Jamba some of the bonnie yes Kimpembe no boy no says some no heavyweight our dressing room yes Omo Kabia na yes ya Kwanane Fanasa Randall Kolom one quad yes said ye one some as treating our team no nani njewo ama chese treatment akwaso no nyina no wonye happy ana yeso wadin komo ama ne nahofo a womom our local room aya away womaka ama pie in fact democracy said kanisa we drew France amanfo bo wotiri say mini jana fan say Luis Enrique no kwana say wa sha se ayira genta make us wa sha se ayira ne say nani nje our Paris when your juma no ko betimi di ato a chese PSG and then akwa fan some P and some adiaba amateurs almost say si truty column one and and boss regional support no ama manager nje our Paris Saint-Germain yes so mo ban aye players ni bi be ka say coach no we be transfer for anymore no kikam tiam now I say our authority our players no so na sa na mom the opposite na just a manager no anim central for anim one press conference and I say be a post match now ba no any players na wo ha yes we who for brutal want to be kasa o at matters almost a boys no as omo ya tena manager so enom aye nipa o ben boys our dressing room and this revelation in no and some ba won some in Jamaica from za na bibia find here
nyame adom ahwe ni experience bibia e boko fancy di Maria ade ache bi mi asaba na yenkomodidi no yendi ni say na fancy I think say me sha see free baby the story ni see here with Luis Enrique and Paris Saint-Germain players no. Let us be honest with ourselves. Since 2015 Luis Enrique won see that the movie. Anna or did you want a 2015 success now with FC Barcelona no. You look at the quality now with FC Barcelona. Adi obey with the Spanish team. Then you talk about maybe the Nations League final or the Spain Cowboy. There has been an introduction of players be say Pedri under him. I won't say Pedri ababe star player Diama FC Barcelona in the long run. But the Juma Diana what didn't who into 2 years and who you may be a warrior. Fancy, I strongly believe that he's failing at some point in time because of so much obsessed within the system. Then you may be a person. I'm not saying it's a man more system, but it looks like whatever he wants to do, he wants it his way. And if you want to do things your way, it means that there is a need for results to come. So results are more players GD or that particular system. People will begin to question it. For example, or the Spain called the World Cup. Spain bet me up possessive ball almost bare 90% or 85%. By Spain, at the end of the day, Bobo game they will not spend a creative chances be 2 and 3. And they be an catch or say, Uniana Juma now in the possession. And fan for Sobia and said a useless possession. And fan for Sobia and fan in terms of chances creation. Yeah, prep ball no way on prep, but we don't create enough. And it is evident in this Paris Saint-Germain team. And firstly, Maria, all your Champions League against Bayern, you understand. At some point, the they can't even create proper chances. And for the French league, the standard of the French league, and it's a moody league, you know. Then you are not the first person to win it. And then news over Paris Saint-Germain now the league. And you knew because the competitive nature of the French league are at the form and Paris Saint-Germain every teams in the woman should be in terms of player quality, in terms of finances. any coaches or more appointee or it's be a de nebo bano. He's only trying to dig us because the pebi o my amano. And PSG to see war over some players at some point in time, including Kylian Mbappe. It is a personal resource na Champions League ayebo in league format. Otoso 25. One way unya playoff crampo more. Fancy, you are digging your big grave, and I think they will allow these players to move on. And players I sometimes ask myself, say, some of them now they made for the possessive based football now unya penana. Maybe you can talk about Fabian Ruiz. Fabian Ruiz in the crampo, their questions are PSG in penny for be raisy. Because they strongly believe say the Spanish national team and from Sonia Branty but about PSG as a born on so on timi mo and any bench no or chana no obo can Lee and obo not chana bench no the only constant figure you can talk about and as a constant figures I bet my come as me Zaire Emery and Vitinha but her Bracola bought possessive football no where Osmani Dembele had the possessive football.
Dembele modi say
what you say PSG aboka almost 90 million euros and okura ka no munya ntwe Benfica omakofa Gonzalo Ramos aba oso mpe striker bi omo type ti sa dabi o omakofa Kolomwani ehun kakro munya ntwe oso mpe strikers bi omo ti se Kolomwani fancy Luis Enrique is overdoing it. He's overdoing it, and I think time will
Chelsea in penny for overlooking or not say fans in the BNTS.
Fancy you and understand why Chelsea in penny for overlooking because Mrs. since 2015 onye bibia Bruce bia onye bibia Bruce bia gidi bia onye and baby on nam say no if the PSG job doesn't work I think Luis Enrique won't consider so be improving your back and say about the possessive style football. No? And I think what he does, he's good at it when it comes. I'm not saying he's a bad coach or a good coach. But I think there are some teams and some players be out tuning your maybe up so yeah. We maybe man bro so I be wankasa and needs to work on it. Fancy, I'm so happy for Atlanta and Gianpiero Gasperani. Share Obia who experience COVID-19 in 2020. You would understand whatever Gianpiero Gasperani AMA Atlanta no a sombo na dachi bi no di adwuma no wono ma enye mo won say they will see him as a god Bergamo small city 117 years fancy oka Italy nyina akro ba ko COVID-19 kum nipa kese pa na Bergamo na ade aye omo yakra na yese before ansa na ade ne be sha let's not forget that on 19 February 2020 no mo ball against Valencia. It was San Siro, Milan, in the Champions League round of 16. Almost shown by 4-1. That was the first time Ayenya and Atlanta team are making progress in the UEFA Champions League in the knockout round. Almost in the quarter-final stage. That game had Atlanta there, and then Pennyfor who don't buy some behavior. Now, after that particular game, the following day, and there were reports that around Milan, there has been cases of COVID-19 Afi edidimwa adebechibia Bergamo ni esufunadaka adebechibia ni esufunadaka adebechibia ni esufunadaka. So a football brought them joy at some point in time. Wow, it brought all the town men any city for now together against Valencia. But enipa omu in that particular game no. Ye wie game na na say afibe na mrebe miensa na bosome be mienu miensa bi to aso bae no. Omo hage omo ni ehunu dodo na because omo afrim due to COVID-19.
Sompa Sports.
Now they needed someone to restore the faith of the city because na corona gu. Adwuma kran sheda ntimi mbiesa. So it took Atlanta their performance again in the league and in the Coppa Italia, a match against Lazio to revive the city's confidence in Enyoma Bia Edi Omunya Kumini Pefri Omukrumonma Neyomoya, and it was led by Gianpiero Gasperani.
Yeah.
Alejandro Papu Gomez Mutimno. They were so much good and they were silky. No munya wamo found Malinovski mo. Ombe show CC. Gaya ne yire kra okoto ne yire this tall guy Slow I think me penny di amount.
Illustrate.
you look at these guys and the consistent performances of Modema Atlanta.
Duvan Zapata, no.
Correct team. Luis Muriel.
Mario Pasalic.
And they were good enough to give them joy. Now, that part in a few honum call. Team Nina, do not need a honum de call. I dear my Jean Pierre Gasper and Jumane Huni said, we're building 2 different teams on my competitive in the Italian Serie A. Papu Gomez Moko and Wasabe beautiful for Charles Di Catellari, Edison, Adimola Lukman. Even after Luis Muriel left, near him some Tom Rasmus Hoyland as was she bit me about. The amount of money I'm raising from even sale of players. She's come moje for Amad Diallo. She's come moje for Rasmus Hoyland. She players be and then Scavini minus more. Look at and Scavini Moba. Martin the Rune Moda
Sompa Sports.
The Catlario by AC Milan Nemfa. It tells you say he is becoming a god of the town. He's giving them hope and he's improving their team. Team anan communist kano. And they was said to me build the team now. My team is said to me don't play my scat me ba. And fancy. Or one coach say Atlanta I'm not so much hopeful that they are going to win the league. Medical catcher say Inter Milan remains the standard when it comes to the Italian Serie A because mono coach did that so. So omunya injuries krana eba quality in depth that they have players. What am I say? And they are consistent. With Atlanta, Ebi Adimola Prano will be private and on through. But I will be the happiest man on this earth if football rewards Gianpiero Gasperini with the title of the Italian Serie A or the Coppa Italia. They are too good. They are too good, fancy. Then no resource no. A show
and another say no who say Atlanta for beat me league no.
And if Claudio Ranieri says that men doubt no. One of the most experienced coaches who have done unthinkable in world football. What did be a wine or Italy be a ton chain? I didn't obey in England, no be an annual so bit my head. And he did it. Or the Leicester City. It will hurt him when Oka said there be a fancy. I would agree with him. And I think Atlanta is moving in the right direction and they are going to be very competitive against the likes of and we are consistent. And they are getting their away wins so good. Omuba no show 1-0, no show 2-0. Omu consider a lot of goals. And in 10 terms, almost share one more call him. And I think the quality that they have in their side shows a lot. Gasperani deserves every good thing that this particular team will give to him. Fancy, Liverpool for any most Salah come on Sono. Shadie, you would understand, sir. And slot statement, you know, make you a press conference, you know, or say a joke, taking a jab. I say, will take a jab at Manchester, but it's all a joke. But Odi no koton chenya. Some Liverpool fans want to vilify Mohamed Salah, which me maintains here.
Some jokes are expensive. Because Salah ne say, ofu say be a City game be the last game. Our Botia City, with Anfield. But so can say be a Salah name 115 charges 19. Means automatically as a City be call.
It is not about that. You see, some Liverpool fans are fond of vilifying their players. You international mass at the end of Anna okwa ne bobo beba wie ye ana Sadio Mane ko ye no ye muhu de to Sadio Mane ana Fernando Torres ko ye no na Coutinho obi anu obebo team na kosi wiase wie ye da obi anu on obebo Liverpool team no akosi wiase wie ye da. Do the right thing. Nipa no, you see, let's be honest with ourselves. I don't know Mo Salah yema Liverpool no o deserve contract extension and that's who deserve it.
No 2 ways.
You can't Liverpool team this year. One of best player. Obeja best player, so best player uncle. No, even Chroma say Krana air football wahano. Kotokoni has. Omo best players is here. Omo naso no mobile. Her contract omo de 2 omanim. Obianka say pedan fa 2 of. Asana Mo Salah kan kwa no. O say contract kwa no mu fa bi ma no. E ma ne ka say da bi.
Or kind of twice in a row post match.
Maybe original politically, maybe or they pay good or they pay big contract. Maybe or they are tuning. I will agree and I'll use if as a conditional clause. If it is true, say Liverpool fire and tune anymore, you can't blame him. But if it is true to say Liverpool they are tune anymore, what is preventing Liverpool to do a quick negotiation and understand, give him whatever that he wants and try and keep him at the end of the day? Because Salah bibi antrese or conform. Now say be move vilify no na ukwa ube flopping na ukwa ube yese na aden. Then my Juma no be yo. Joe Hart kind wo. No, I think Liverpool against City no mo you know. Omo raise this topic and Joe Hart said it clear said omo a businessman. Joe Hart said it.
Now we born no boss of have it. They didn't know.
What did I mention? Joe Hart said it so omo
a businessman. So much in our crowd about Belgium nyina. E sika.
Omo a businessman. You see, Coutinho.
It is all to us and contract.
Coutinho, there are some of these players are
who to contract then change.
Ebewu.
Oh.
Ebewu.
Me penya atwo.
Dabi.
Me de no.
Asem ni e
ya na to no nim nyatwom.
What you say no ho to one say no.
Me ban so a me ba. Salah me de ne tie. Ebi na Salah ye no. Ba bon no de. Obey na komo mo ba ma.
He's playing so well. Mimi
among full time so ya wan sam obi kwaji uni sika. So what dey we bon ko start here.
You can more or less
Sompa
contract issues club ni Mo Salah. They are dealing. But me no baby omo pese omo dey ade ne fa say ase omo set Salah up. Na no ho abeya shi. Ana Salah ye nipa ade Salah ya mamu.
Eh me de pass Jamie Carragher on say
ade Salah ya mamu.
Omo ko ball. Was it the Champions League? Oh guys, so the Salah di can be kan me be no. Ana City di aba be kan 2. So Carragher be say a selfish move. That was our first post match. And our supporters now say Carragher and Crazy Anfield Obium. Because what is selfish about this? So home you be can be saying now any kwanza and say wrong. But generation, you know, opening because Saudi for this car, Mumuntin Wanko. Varash, my memory.
Fancy, my memory.
Sompa Sports.
Dagi, or Yajmo Senators of Ho. Manchester United supporter wakopa. I'm hoping the young poachna present open Manchester form for man against Arsenal. And there's a BNTV Koyim for more.
Oh, my phone to
I'm a rimbo to be able to me as and this honesty. But Fancy, Liverpool says 7 can over can aquakus saying players on bar Liverpool Manti Amon and no more. Players on bar Liverpool Manti Amon. Or you are moving team no more Mokoye. In this will be a bano of a bo. No, it is a bondi or corner a selfish mood. You are one Casanan so you're selfish. He's giving Liverpool everything they need from a player. The BRB.
Come I say money ko ya na Salah struggle like early games. Because and kase man in the buano kwa. Into one was a born pejane swa opening obejo.
I sign of humanity. The highest bid dance so. Sikano of I Baba Judgment, the Kenny Wow on Kobe Jawako. Because me see we are when there is nothing like loyalty when it comes to business. Yeah, business loyalty be anybody out. Debbie, untimi nkona nkas my loyal to asuma sintima ba ma miskan fanko vie.
Me to banku loyalty 3.
Debbie emfa. Enti discount 2 year na ya adwuma na tese wo ye no. Enti no omunya Salah na onye na adwuma but obi biara owo this notion say Africa players omu si akan wa mo ne ye mo omu the needed recognition and respect no me no obi ya adwen with the recent thing about bonten.
Okay.
Osha from Mohamed Salah, the kind of numbers and consistency with them Liverpool every single time, no recognition is so nyan Europe no nyan even in the Premier League, no matter where them Liverpool team no crown, the kind of recognition is so nyan onya. Senko yo bi anko free say Brazil mo ho baby free England free Spain free France mo and ka what be are consistently ka Mohamed Salah be bam bo free Africa nti ahunya asem ka each and every single time on ka ho yem fa no to
onu kra ne color or white and
white and complexion on ka ho yem fa no to ya who say 26 man short list aba for FIFA Pro 11 Ademola Lookman emi sa short list na se wo hwe ni din a ontiase die ntia ontiase ne say this is a guy out of Atlanta. So when the numbers were them last season 45 games of boy in all competitions, he gave 27 goals involvement, 17 goals and 10 assists. No, them Atlanta.
And even for Nigeria, our AFCON.
Me ba Nigeria national team ne Bako d'Ivoire no. The campaign was Osimhen. He came and he failed to deliver as expected. Lookman saw the him Edward trap work on. They couldn't win, but he gave his all. My performance that you need from your player. Of Atlanta, they said they move from Europa League final. A high flying Bayern Leverkusen. a team one who run that by Munich or the Bundesliga nimu useless. Or stand a left, right, center. But we bet no at the national level. Won the league. How many matches are not Bayer Leverkusen now ball in the Bundesliga? Not that they are yet to lose a game. Or Cheno or finance and 3. The 3 goals came from Ademola Lookman. Hat-trick. How many times in the UEFA Champions League, Europa League, these guys am a hat-trick in a game? Ademola na yes no. This
night no.
Yes.
I don't know sanka man entry.
Of course.
Or at least nomination him.
Na so obam. And went to me this season was out to us 60 games awabo. Obama 14 goals involvement. A Charles last season wasn't a fluke. This season or signed to us not 26 man short list above for 5th Pro 11. Ademola Lookman enim. Me no bi biara or can say African players no call a hwa. The kind of recognition, respect they say the moment omunya me no bi biara ya adwen because in numbers performance awoma anyhow we see impact games positively edema Nigeria ni Atlanta not this kind of recognition onima. I think say they've not been fair to Ademola Lookman and obi biara wo kasa in biamene ya adwen there are some players in there they are there because of omudi omajamo and if not that they need to answer omobam Ademola Lookman a year Juma over the years, the year and the retrospect. Why year Juma he needed to be there. But when him offer Mohamed Salah nyoma oye now for Ademola Lookman ya ina free. My tells you no we be around kasa asem no. Me na ya adwen perfect. Say oh this an komo no. And na basa ne Mayoka nebo. So far records as since 2009 on paper game when you game. 16 games, Basa winning 14.
Last month, they say I'm more
and I make so far records now. Game winning instead of game. But so far evidence of play this season now. A mania game. The mania game they say Mallorca game now open this season, you know, in favor Barcelona because omono they sit deep, be block or passes ne hwan no enwuram. Omoje ball na no ma counter attack you. Something that Barca for no ya hu say mo kire wo sa high line is something that any problem my bro almost started ya no obi anya antidote to the high line no you say it was perfect what they could do remarried for offside we be married anya go be against almost show mo for but man for starting who say high line no betimi afa ho no it give him Barcelona problems and then Mallorca game will give us Barcelona problems pa because almost defending no munya counter attack now they will come at you. And Barca for them was in the last games of Mabono goals no more consider sa Mallorca for them consider goals baby no more goals baby this season what consider 13 goals per in 15 games it's only bettered by Atletico Madrid more Real Sociedad money Real Madrid more and a more better goals are almost consider the change team my friend here Mallorca so it tells you that they are a very good team they are very solid and they are seats on the table it tells you that a team Omunim do omoye and omo both games now they know what they are doing and they will come today and they will worry Barcelona at a time where Hansi Flick friendly players now say a mini crisis meeting no say then of course no it tells you there is a problem Barcelona now he's talking about so many defending as a unit Sompa so never be defending when things were going on for Barcelona ni entesa ankomodie no until now tells you say nyoma Barcelona nyoma ensida enkoyie wo ye presentation na car score line bi and then say Barcelona will go now and I make Barcelona will go with that same mentality, that same performance in the last 3 games in the La Liga. No man than in your mania. Mallorca besa dia so their mom. And Barca be no 4. Abro muntimi winning game and this will call for bigger crisis meeting. Because high line a man for fan. And when we also defend more or born 5 defenders now or 0 pumpy making sure say we now counter attack because that 2 years no be generate no join ho any akobasa winning intia nano oh your investment no ahwe ye because investment betimi ati was Mallorca for na kire so mo ha adwen this season my to ho and ye mo pa ye fanta actually but a very difficult game and I'm say oh far records there nye game kese bia but season we no and then you make kakra be ye say Barca for nya blip in their form no ya dia say oh ye nyoma no nyoma ye so nya nya dia nyoma yi okay Hansi Flick so done nyoma ni because samre you know ene nyoma obe wete Barca for appetite Basta team near team Yana Bros was how. But by and by we're too appetite. Trauma said they can go the season. But now reality are dawning on them because players in them squad and yet that take to withstand season. No problem suspension and only a dear. So they need to be careful.
Okay, well, Mate, may I say now? I'm sure we all say I'm watching you live from a Drop by Health Center. Keep it up. More updates on Chelsea. Where Frank Kwabena drew, and Frank Kwabena drew on Facebook a day. Some message in a buy. Liverpool owners are stingy. Says Shaibu Shamsu, and Shaibu a day. Some message in a buy. Imagine Salah playing for United with performance and by now £1 billion a week. Maun say Adugda Awan Bruno Joa. Let's say good morning, Fancy Di Maria. Enjoy the show live from Tumu Upper West. Sompa Sports the best. Yet I say the message. I don't know. Salah should earn £1 million pounds a week. Where Bond Bad disturb DC. A message. And I went so I say Aqua Emmanuel says no one is setting Salah. You guys should remember Salah isn't the only player running out of contract. Van Dijk and Trent Alexander-Arnold are also running out of contract. He's the greatest Liverpool player ever, but about his contract issues shouldn't be discussed publicly, but rather with the board. And we also there or by Victor Kwabena say, I know for sure Salah deserves more than what he's done over these years. Okay, he's still showing that spirit of relentlessness. But I think Liverpool are looking at the wage bill and how it can affect the wages of other players going forward. And also Vic so and no Kwame Walker say you want Oyibo to nominate African player to give them award, while our own African footballer awards is dominated by players playing in the only top 5 leagues. We even cherish our own products, but you want there's a don't or sanke babeshon no and I don't know. Tio Black Boy say good morning Fancy Botafogo all the way Campio de la Botafogo. We are also winning the Brasileirao Bentano the message and so any Fibo Ventures woman and I did toothbrushes any personal and so Abedjasio Ashford Princess any executive and our friendly Galaxy and a toothbrushes out of Fibo and so and a day Abedjasio Yamamodi and so be pebi and so ato now be now Afrofresh about toothpaste now I want to the say when you be at a brush you teeth a ball gum and buy and my son and ya want them up and I support ama mama brush mutita yana muhumo jani na nebe jaina wonum enso ate amonum ayesham kama po se golen tudo bi abeso to biano Fibo Ventures obenya omon product ni bi ato and I say opa 0535452263 na onim perifone enkasa time eba mehane ye adro malaria na ebetu asiama na afo no mato aduane nyode anasa honam emunsu tutu wote ya ewo kotodwere nkase ni mu a bamodi answer time heba mehadro no obepa bi enso anom your time heba mesha and the capsules eno and be rushes and free wase so your bar anasa your bema uti na your de na wudwi na ye kuro na tre sano wadro no aye either so time about Misha and now say the capsules and will be able to be about Bemanum and bounce on the says you come 0244417669 now on Imperifono and Casa Joy Kemp Roofing Company Limited almost say one more bow down the somehow now estimate on being free of charge and phone baby our site and that's how your dino now more branches out of watches a caswanum and then Techiman Sunyane a fate tamale and cry ball get anywhere no one more IBR a face self lock MSO and a standard sheet and a Euro tiles I don't think account no matter the bottom so and then one card in about Joy Kem and chain on about dine so I'm a dine and you a fay a munya she actors a piano what the moon you come order and no and some I don't know Udu Kumasia one more soccer man and Pame on any police station and so a D and share 0540125816 Joy Kemp and so Abejo so Jean's toothpaste and a Jean's toothbrush and no and also Joe Jean's total care Jazz whitening and jazz herbal ema confidence ema wo kwani pama on ferry wo for trotro on wo bi ne wutwa obaso je number wutumi je wonum enyin kan bia eye jazz toothpaste and the has toothbrush no enom ena be boaw esanse jazz herbal e natural herbs jazz whitening e be ma senom enso bright kama na fe jazz total care eye plus any tooth decay ni nyina afro be jam minty fresh breath ukodwa so a ya bomode anso be kai se no bi enso na wo pato amo so ho ye de I'm comrade why I'm a kwaba me bana ya baba be David ye jenisa ai David what had I can comrade.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Here's Kwame and Yao. After hours of planning, both have locked in the same perfect multi-bet. Big win for United, over 1.5. And both teams to score in the London Derby. But who could have picked Leicester over City? Or a high-scoring game at the Bridge? There's nothing worse than having your perfect multi-bet missing. But there's nothing better than having it saved. Bet Sompa FM. Even if your bet misses.
Bossy Gringo Beaters Carnival. Gringo! Kumasi, Yamamu Amrado, King Paluta, and Stone Ball. New one in here. Bossy Gringo Beaters. 24 December. Kumasi Heroes Pack. Chilinina. We'll take it to 50 Ghana cities. Bossy Gringo Beaters Carnival. Gringo!
We don't give a fuck with someone.
Mama Kwaba Gentleman Dental. Gentleman Dental Clinic, you do my dear idea and say, BCC will sing, now your bow sing by Amawonu, and so Ati, and I say, or sing animal yams so far and to my pa. If you fix one no, and I say, you type for a permanent one no, and also you see a ultimate aim to give, and no, and you feel the PFM bridge, and I say PFM crowd. I feel you sign a cleaning services about your profession, your friend is killing and polishing. Say, said you Okasa, it's me, my pampa, and I the ebe. No oba Gentleman Dental ye ni nyina bi ewo Gentleman Dental Clinic ye wo Koforidua Central Police Station enchenwa na wodru enkran so a ye wo nungwa na Atomic Down domekwa benya runabout no so ho na wodru takwade pipe ano traffic light na ewo pipe ano ho ye ne OGN Bank na wo the same premises na Kachiman so ye wo magazine market kwan no so ho anase opposite AY Ambe na wodru Kumasi Abrepo Junction Total Filling Station wa traffic light na enihwe G runabout no free Total Filling Station na yabron sign na edi ho ye adwuma free eda joada kopem eda memela itini afre ya homa no e wo 055 913 9582
Ebra if I shop na me shade o bag
bra ade ena so biem
what are you going to see about Queen why me say
bra said your time about mesha esia gimi ni me fie
Sompa FM.
what do you do this offering na
bra se me ka se me di time about mesha ho dance ya wiase nyina ebete menka enti se malaria where any time about mesha
anya nu ko die na nu mato a wontimi anidie no where any time about mesha edre anya ma oba wa fafuo die wo ma akoda no fo ene akoda woni mfie dumienu ansa na obeto time about mesha edre bi no hwe se wako hospital anasa lab am wo hu se wo agide malaria bi ansa
ayo se time ye TIME time about mesha afi malaria fever bi adani ziva ewo mu no ebetua ubenya bi ato ewo over the counter medicine sellers any herbal shop to do na mu FDA agi edwadue nkratoi ato
abusaka kraka bi wo hanu meja tom na rewu se be wo me se abofrake to wanya 2 years akada ba ku nti African Spider-Man bla me ya abofrake to yi mo na nipa ho hia dede bi koso anu ti kame ho ne ko hwede wo mbia nyina yi etie Sompa yenya ya expectation ka African Spider-Man ba be se bo abofrai ba prekupe ne hu African Jack wo ba be se bo abofrai na wo secret kura no anything
Imboost herbal mixture. And only me secrets.
Na dia
na me yetua no ma nkeka e wo fam. Ana police mi di ho dan say me say menye na me nsonhwe. Na me so we no. A boosting immune system. Ama say me yetua nya me ntebre. Mitimi di kama. Ama wo keka wo dum so ekoso.
Me kura so me tai yale ama my latitude me nya baako.
Enye je na koso ho. Hey, Spider-Man, what are you doing?
Mo fa me kura chen.
Ubenya Imboost herbal mixture and pharmacy and also herbal shops. Apim any nkola omundi fie dumienu enom. FDA agigede nkatwe at.
So wallpapers papa to OP wallpapers and American for amount. So wallpapers at their decorative offices. So fee and sorry. Say ye perhaps Sompa FM. Here wallpaper they do juma biano. OP wallpapers Afro. Yama wallpapers ebe match blind curtains. Eba bedside lamps and so OP MR types or mar shapes. Colors out do nyina ubenya bi ato e wona so ye ho se open LED backlight e dey above flash screen e chia and so OP e be mo bi se open self ring light out do phone be shim e OP wallpapers and e be mo self ring light OP e wo Kumasi Adum first floor Nana Kwesi Ajman building name Tafo GNTC building first floor ana chronom our barrier on the market no e die nhwe se open wholesale and also retail any OP any nsa wo so free OP our 0540-353750.
Mamenche time HH herbal Mr. Bina Unumi and your what dropa a ya draw a ya draw say a mani pedian quamwano enya and chain and san wakakoto fire wadro nanomno abribia Kanoga Company Limited. What the time TIME ebe jasono wonwa and the time HH heba Mr. Edia bejaso akra wonyanya mfisia dumienu enumbi wo pemfo ene oba wo makra nufo enso enumbi time HH heba Mr. wo benya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so wo pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH herbal Mr. Eyadro say FDA aje ejwadie nkratue atum.
I'm saying that Ghana must not introduce free SHS on the whimsical promise of a desperate politician. Many mistakes have been made by countries in Africa already with free SHS.
Akufado
Sompa FM.
We boy Baumia minya udeni we boy.
Hey mami Jemfo na den na ma wani age ewia we say
minia se me kaya de free SHS ayama me ne me ma wo hu na me hu ne minya mpo esan de na na do danko Akufado eno Dr. Baumia ayenti se wo kaya bra me kuna no hwe ye nyina efiri mu no
ane me kai pa
na ni daso nyina sa se me de me mami ensa ne nyina be ko school ekosi se na na do danko Akufado eno Dr. Baumia e de free SHS e baaye sisi a me mami ensa kofi esi ene kojo nyina ko school akese ni bi minia na wonim de ya no mo eka omo so omo ba omo de nsachaye bebe mo ebi mo so omo ba omo be twam ebi mo so omo ba omo ma wo fani bi atue school fees ni bi
hey omo pese omo yo made ni bi mo enti sha why na ntua na why kwa ni free omo pese omo ya ye ni bi no esi nchen na mo side omo connection man ani protocol nsem yi say free SHS papa ya yemba yi koyo
bi ase ye bebo free SHS on ban na ya no mamba mbese ade papa na nado ene Dr. Baumia e de abrayen yo
anya free SHS for ya na mama ne nkofo se anya possible yi
na nso se say de it is possible afiwe ye tu abadi abo free SHS on ban tu mama Dr. Baumia number 1 on the ballot.
Na ede na ya obayi a oda former son ya funu emunumuni.
Oh Mr. Entry also yare ya titi be ben fie pi nanso ne yam nyono da se me chew no ahodo amato a me hunu hwe a ebe ya nwanwa
Ninyi ni se wato ulcer tamfo Haxa capsules any Haxa mixture yanum bom kutia ulcer no bia ma no anom anka ne ho ato no dadaada ulcer dro de eno ne Haxa capsules any Haxa mixture
ankom ni nchiremu
ulcer ye kura eto ye funu ene ensunumu etuma wo ye funu ekeka wo a wogire wo ho a enyi ulcer etumi ema wo ye cheko ebra wadidi awie
Sompa FM
prepare Haxa capsules any Haxa mixture nanum bom na ho ebeto
pedudu eto a ko okanshi drug lane Kumasi Dani Herbal Takradi AA Mensa Anafre 02038228855 apinfo abatan a woma won mofra no fo ene mofra woni mfiedu mienu enka ho Haxa capsules ene ne mixture
Satanfo FDA age adwadie nkrato yi atom
Ashafo ye mama kwaba ede aba Alaska Star Enterprise Alaska de ese de mu ne mu no ono na de wallpapers eba ye ene what the different kinds of eniema abepom e wona so ye Christmas eniema ye de siesie dem any occasion bia ade bia wo pasiesie wo dem bia se bi mete se blind curtains center mats sofa covers material curtains comforters any niema bia flowers ahodo
ye tie Sompa
se dem pe bia Alaska Star Enterprise ye wo Kumasi adum Mrs. Anoche Plaza building eno na ye first floor me pacho udru enkran so a ye wo TikTok link opposite Circle Mall Okanshi NS Chemist building nim Alaska Star Enterprise your #1 shopping center.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver.
Okay. Whoa, you na fe yebeto aso emfemfenti Alaska ana chese etwagu no and so Alaska Star Enterprise no our man wallpapers any blind curtains and match chese designs and so decorative living room or bedroom any offices outdoor any fear be so biano blind curtains and then the wallpapers Alaska say obema be best spread normal different designs and then the sizes obenya morning TV stands TV backlight open bedside lamps, open sofa covers, and ya katakata unkunya one o coach no one. Alaska say Bomodian Sababa Jodia, plastic wardrobes, and decorative watches, and then the flowers PVC floor tiles, and a carpet, artificial grass, and then one is a man for this from Tukupebito, our Alaska on a Fedujman and Wabema dem SCN, Babiaba so ye piano, and so I fair Kumansia, what Mrs. Anoche Plaza on a Prudential Plaza and a D and share and crying tiptoe lane and I said to do what the MTTD office in a D and share 0200281080 now on the Alaska and so and Kasa and Nano Pena. The camera honorable Nilante Vanderpoy or say or no, I'm sports minister by now on Kafino and then what Timu Kranko Gunukra. Nilante Vanderpoy and Semno Emini.
This is for World Cup. They are qualified for a Cup of Nations. We are not going to Cup of Nations. This is the time to Meguno. I'm suspended for 6 months. The 6 months they have built a team for the next qualification of Cup of Nations. I didn't say transfer Magia before that opportunity. Somebody Omudin Kugua, they are Saki coach. They are Kataso. Hey, near Kosovo Ghana football. Ukofa Pep Guardiola, Georgian Klopp, and then wine at the bar. Now you change structure now. You create structure. Send the back on the players for the blaster. Coach on the manager, ball boy on the manager, doctor on the manager. How is the blaster going to be better? Your local league crown players be a second job. So one most team we are here from national team. Hey, maybe not blasters players. You have somebody like Asumidu from B United, Akapu from Bofakwa, then Usu, Resident, Akwetama, players from all the clubs and a blaster. But says your blaster, your multi-mufrio when they're managing.
Former sports minister Nilante Vanderpoy no so no nanka o da so sports minister nko gua democratic da kra na amof so on here there
be ma boko na onso
oh nyame adum
my na o adem ni wo asema na
say
abetena no be 2 hours
the ben same house the brand e adwuma
ale na brena o
ye unum series menye bi na no ya dok e ma o schema highland day
my me to dro
now you are dog more highland day and as what giant radio for obebo aben mush uzo bado ashara ni kaki na teresa no uya kaki yede ni yenkitenti ani bia ahondi ane wa
awomere let's da Michelle ngagwaza ame hona to
so we the party we the trim so oh the para me kala asem
me fa no wa hona to be
oro ka ba hu bi ka Hey, woman, the press can man to me come now. Only pan suban pa.
Yeah, by our Scadia.
Scadia. By Obi Bompa, Adetua. Bompes and Yamos, Camem Quadri Union, one.
Yeah, and Drew,
no, da
Debbie.
Ya dear Boa.
Ya bibia ye nyina ye sika o ya. Hwe. Bibia ye nyina omo ya omo se o sika de nya hwe.
Asma na no kan sika nya hwe.
Sika de nya hwe o sika nkwa ya o sika ana hu se se kakra be di o.
Ah se o ti house na kwa wo konkwa.
Unzo traffic o.
De.
So o sika obi ti nko parking car si o no na esisu jani sisu. Wo di traffic mu o so around about ba he ya mo he
no adum
so ba ya no adum
na start na anye so
o kan engine cry 1.0 engine cry 1.0
o battery nya na start na anye so
o se bra pia
me first no mo quadrants no o de ahye man no de ahye free no de sari free na o bu ko de sari was adum jaro so adum jaro still unlock I'm watching Kia. Guys, me come and Jimmy Cramenye so.
As well. Yeah, you need come kakra bi imbu seba mixture. Police ni na draw. Of course, still na draw go so ya na adwuma.
Yeah.
Na ya draw ba ko ada ne dan nyina no obi onum bibia di dance ye sampa ya draw pa nganka ne mrantie no. Mrantie ne de omo doctor ba so say doctor in fact wa ma yempom aye den. Nya yempom no omo kan omo memem we bema also who say oh bema imu aye den yes we koto
awaka ma paro de ne yirinya to kan say o ma kun de ma no bedu abo titi ase ma me ne ye o say o uye pa say o so necessary. I just saw chana na kumye chere wono.
Inya pa because ya send ye ne kesika sem ya unya sika se de kra na se no nso ni ho a. One thing hardwin pa.
One wine edi.
One wine
chill, one baby girl.
Obe mama mi bi edi. All right.
Say na mama.
O mama say ya na obedi. Mo we ni obedi bebere. Ndu obe ma na di bebere a che o mama. Ya mi ni una ye interview no ye ma no.
Ajo to wedru.
Eti bema de o so o wa o mema sem kosro na afi utimi zampa o mema sem o kosro no ebe kosro de anu aka hun se dru abenum ye imbu se ba mixture me so nko numa dru bia nko ha o enya nyono yawo
any side effect
enya nyono debi ade aya na yawo tatu hu fo me pe na asem o pa o se ya me nkotwi bema no mfa bibia nko srasra ho because obi wo no ma ya na ye se wakoti bia mu pe no di tu amanfofo ntwitwi emfa nsasra bema ho enti mesra de bia ya otufo pa
omo se ntachia black bi ni pa omo pesa ade no
omo pesa ade
omo taro na otwi no ho no taro ho na chichire a
edi asembe ba mesra bema be kakra na
amo so kawa na ni tinetu aka o
bi kawa ko hwen ba bia wo ho
na wo pente ba bi ozim na sa afel
utimi sane
ase adwombo le wo bese en from be fa ba bia what training dindende oguro so ye twa wade ya twa ade we ye twa to twa
so edi ewu be hia se obehwedu na chi akwan drugstore pharmacy eba shop memu ha ba bia de obenya imbu se ba mesi adru ni bia ye de enso ato anom mesro adru no from 12 years echo and obi on so o man ba no for no ya bi o wa 1 year 8 months oba tan na mpese obi twa ne ba no for adru samre na esa na akwala ne no papa ekunu for esa ha adwen pa ya
o ma me ne high na obenum no for 1 year
debi no kra de
o no benta go shu
o debi unya bi kra no ba na no for ne boa pa ntimi so obi on ma 1 year 8 months no obi offer us me ba no 1 year 8 months
fit as a Cardi ya wo no
na ya fa wo de example
debi
fa wo de example ese oni akola na kunu for oni akola na kunu for
experience is the best teacher
eno de eno na me kan eno na me kan nti me kan de na so aka
wa ku ma che o
no me kan de no aka me de experience is the best teacher amba so who dey tie no so wom wom say wa ba who dey sitie
say me bo aba so
say me bre who dey sitie So when you for more yaw, so open how much na akora to no for na say be you be jam aba.
Abada.
Oh yeah, maza. Oda na so oda na person oda yen so ye imbusa duro na. Bomodin asa wo be pe duro ni be dey anom na aboa ye pa. Obi wa okoto dwe na ye wo ya waposo obi wa untimi ndeye dia untimi ndeye ye omi system no nya dwendwen bia e na obi won so untimi didie udidi kakra bia na ye wo se wamen afi obi nse bia be few minutes na e come side e deal e your immune system na immune system ni weak because immune system na center ye ni padua no ye immune system na boa ma yetimi ko yetimi ba ye bibia we ni padua no etimi so immune system no wo form a ye kwa untimi nkobi because obeye mra ye de adampa so yare bubu adampa so yare aka wato dem mode hye bia nante abre mopen ho a senka ne ho beto no ba ma ya ne ho ntimi nto na mesrew monhwe in boost aduro na chakwan because eboa ma nkwamo ne nya hoden obi won ma yare wanom aduro ekọ bia be 4-5 months ni still na wo hu hwe enye se bia aduro na wakoto ne na enyo na mo akwakoba se enkwamo no wo fom enkwamo na wo fom ni ntino enkwamo ne ntimi nje aduro no and respond to yade no enti aba ne saa se pe na afo bonse obunse na onipadua na nkasa wo tinkasa yade ne yede edokro na ekoso me so anope bomodi aso be fe numbers uti radio na
0246
ma onya high cratch 0246
208 496
sikani bi na ditu akanti anu ama hwan ha mesrewa enti me so edro no drugstore pharmacy herbal shop omemu ababia abosumi manfa ma yintu awka me so edro ne de nyamia no nukure ni enye nwono ne nom da form eye boko in fact amanfo pedro ne nom yawo omo nyare kra ne nom odro ne mo because omo ntwen ma yare no kra anye dai emo mu ni pedua so yare no won ntwen ma yare ne ma ento no wo nom odro no kra ye dai dada nkokrafo ne nom odro no mrantie no so ennom de aye o ma de na je tena onom ne ye se o me de me mpa bibidro because one and one mpa bibidro no imbus buy no ma ba be mpa bibidro because edro no ye adwuma wo ni pedua nim edro no Dr. Siminyako ekwa ofa so ye edro no to ne boase eno wo hyehye edro no de ba abonten edina imbus ba me hyehye edro no ya up to now
yes
egusu a production kra ye ntimi nya because ye ntimi so plan go amanfo ba na e ba because the bia edro no ye de botai nyina ne se ye mpese obe yare ansa nti wo hwame a ebia me so sori ahomache wo ta ko dwuma mu ntentem ne ade wadidie wo ni di ntem wo di late ne ade ne nyina no numbi e mame mekeka yare bia kakraka bia ansa no se do ne de etimi dabi yare bia ho ni padua bia no bia be de ebeboa ya ne krakra no imbus pharmacy
that's right
ya di nuna baba bi go
o de say nuna e ba na sound because ade an bo fo de e papa na ne bo fo gina wa adro bia
any 3 days ya na container mienu doctor baba bi yego nti container mienu de eboy pa scanam ditu aka no onye nu bia na mde bre ono nti bosumi mi ntia muka ntia na ma hwese obenya akatua lenda me so wa bosumi emfreme wacho ya so de ache nti ya ndo no gu ho
ma bi TV ni radio
se wo kan off air na me de aba air
Sompa sport
edi no mo amoko trek no mura bi to bi o edro bi a ope bia UK brand UK ndonia ne ho
trek for no crowd you so mo no dru ba bia be service car no na ase ba bi won ma kwan nya ne ade nti omo cheso kra ma
of course
so da bia beton na wonya osika onfa so na wonya bi nso dia repair
sanity
a crowd car ehia pa
ye wo herbal product nyina bi ye de wo enye imbus ne nko an ye ton wo herbal product bi a wati din bia no ba nti wo ba beju abrofu duro no na wo ba wo se jo herbal product no nti enko ye se bia beto abrofu duro no nko an wasa ba kuruma ba pe da bi we ni de duro bi a wo pe bia no so be mo ye list no o me ye list na ya bo wi ase o sika 1000 ne wa send de amane ne ado na kwa akoma ne nti wo ti wo no ma na wa duro aye de aba eye imbus pharmacy ya numbers ni 0246 208 496 0246
208
496 ya wo kode Wesley Methodist Church ye ne no ene ben ho nti eho de oduru wa mrantie ne mabawa no wo a mabawa no ho fe mrantie no so ho fe a oduru wa on be hwe se wo de ebi kura wo obi a ha adwen a kokokoko to duru wo kwa on be service wo kama na bibia ye pa nti no bomodin a ne ko honum ya on that note me di si ha na match too sweet fashion e watch ma kofoyudia
wo mate Yedase.
Only one of them I see.
Anti nyame adma next to kebeshia no next to go back from bronya de bra.
Hey. Na dem de mo nyam zam no
bronya de. Mesro.
Ya on di mobile money me
shramanfo. Me yawo. Na wo number. Wo me number.
O de.
Wo me number.
Ya me number.
Miss wo me number.
Na nyam tia na me send over.
Me yawo. Na nyam company pa kura send ma no.
Fancy.
Da be send 500 o mba adwuma wo. We bema pa so e bema send 500
me send over 500 series ya. Camera no betimi aka.
Me be ma Shadrack no dey two screen so mo bi.
E betimi atoso.
E wo dey enye.
Betimi dey na me send. Shadrack go wa sheda dey betoso. Wa sheda dey betoso Shadrack. Adu me dey awie da do.
Yo.
Asa.
I just get ready.
Asa.
But also wa je isi kedi o. Aka so obeko. O so mo di bronya wi aba dey. Na ka se bronya won ni wie da. Sika wo di wie na akoya aduma ne ya. Well, Shadrack Mame Henry Asante Chumena, communications director at the Ghana Football Association, and so my reasons in Tomuntimi Pamo, Coach Otuado, as of now.
The ministry will not have to come in, and it's basically because we have suffered in the past. It became an issue because Milo didn't have time to waste. He went to FIFA. FIFA judged in favor of Milo, and then we needed to pay over $100,000 upon several pleas to the ministry. They were not forthcoming, so the FA needed to pay that money, 117 or 100, and they were not forthcoming. Sometimes when you are knocking on the doors of the ministry, it depends on availability of funds. And once Milo went to court, we were also given a certain deadline to meet that deadline, or else we suffer consequences. And so there was a need. So these issues, you cannot compare a 1-year contract or a 9-month contract to a 38-month contract or a 36-month contract. So the council deferred the meeting and said they will have to consult the government, after which a firm decision will be made.
Next, length of contract, and you know, taken into consideration and Sunny be out to Adu, the Anobeteke, so Pamona, wash and Sunti, the Equidinese, the Edicaria to Drahana, Unibe be our court, so Tete, and no, Henry Asante Chum and a dinner about Mamma Yaya, almost so Bonoma Bobia, na Yayan so Otuado, Yentino.
Yeah, I'm say, I know, not meet Asante Chum. There are certain things where I am fan P and my because we are very, very sure say and yet Klaus be and a bit me at Ama Otuada Atnadia. We are very sure say after the Niger match, and can say Oko. A fact. Bibia Ebesibia or team Bia no and Koyeno, the head coach. No matter what, Obia nim the AC or Abontin. Who as a head coach, no one has a original on so. Now we hear Juma or yes, we ever come for Bauma, Obia Juma man, as all more be a predicting man, as all be a manipulative. Now, bought team at now, Koya, and nobody, yeah, and he say a kind of crap party and can say more to Aduko, but I'm sure any contract in any clauses now a woman. And also in favor Ghana.
Nanchese eno aye contract details entinema Otuado Ghana Football Association entimi ensakene no aye asmo ref fan say malam ya yanso ade tu dwana nyame adom na Saturday Ghana ekopose ewia at the following week ana aye super clash ebaso Kumasi Asante Korokwane House of Folk and a ball game way ana black president enso aye Safu Jamfi and Safu Jamfi so say waso no wotwane sabako ema aye Asante Koroko dinkuno betwane sabako ama Asante Koroko so atimi adinkuno no enso aye Safu Jamfi ensema ono nso mari tu dwa shark aye ready anase nya ready dam dia ye nkwe nya ready nso anafe ye nkwe wanti yenya blood president nso de na de no enso ebema na meba aye mesa before mama aye interschool no interschool jumadi na ekoso na ene games enso ebekoso eno matches eba so eno matches out eba so mom friend no mama na nhwe sanse no na aye quarter final o once ehjem yensa ma dujamfi enso ete ekanemu mienu eno aye 3-2 ene ba so afei o sent to lunsu 4-1 edema ayo case na cheso say to 2 1 o case 4 next yankwaso ai wenso ye eduman etenam ama Sakafia ehwomeka no baako a omo nso antimi ante na kire Sakafia so qualify elko semis and afi last but not the least game ana was say no nso eba so my parents no na yenko semi final games I was say eba so and said your matches ebesi akoni nyina no say ana esitia na once ebebo e de tia Sims and your first game and afi okes and so and Sakafia and a bebo and your second game ni no inter school and college omo dwumadi no egusua eno ekoso honsem ana ye de eno enso de ama no na Haxa handsome mixture and Haxa capsules aba na mamem tufo ni nyina no say Haxa no walk from a sotica shop and I say about shop ashen so e ma me say HAC hyphen edem CER Haxa mixture and the capsules bodjuma we no aye stomach ulcer draw tatashe entimu amudi dia na mo yefunu dwan mo woni de enso yefunu dwan wodi diwia na so fu aye kutu asa wo chese o bel chese anu ne kan say wo buso sa no afa ye ban se bia so boso ehyew wontimi enya nyoma ye asa wo fu aye bloated a chese o so ate aduane kran no enya wo de ama brebia so ni su chin wo na wo te se bia o boso ya wo ya ne nyina no enso symptoms and it's just a signs that just wunya stomach or some body answer Haxa and so your capsules and answer the miss channel obepebi and so out of the answer with the miss channel ebenum capsules no ebebo amanyoman so I final face stomach ulcer no eyi yamukuro and so e de fro oba wa fa fro wa wo foforo so enya ma akoda no wonya about 12 years emane ennum bi baby e tondro awo Ghana mamu ababia fa wonsa ebeka bi opadodo atu atowa eye 0240238310 Haxa and Perifono Abejo so now make us a gringo carnival ever so where your brassy gringo bitters carnival Nyamiarama 24th of this month and a bus our Heroes Park and you may non so na Jumedian Amado and a Kimpaluta first tom boy woman and a bus ya Shannon's mom say a you may non so take it a 50 Ghana cities per over dial star 714 star 003 star 8 hash na chesanum a short code ababona what follow prompt na fe what you take it and as a poku trade nom any supermarket restaurant one nyina no any pies restaurant to ko no ma obenya bi ensom atimi ato na what you take it na fe onsom odon ho ahyem bafo polo ese African predator so a what the air adwuma that what you know pam a polo shirt round necks v-necks and a chest si pair what I didn't be on pam ama program biawo biano which me share bafu polo ede kwa demo stronko a drew sebia schools any institutions out mo pam Friday way mo pam Wednesday way no sebia kwa mo be some uniform and no a bafu polo ede no na bafu classics or pam lapel tops and in the down what pam kaftan efe and afe suit no and also saw your wedding program na akwana ohia suita bavu polo so shanintam na onyama na emma wa ho fa no so MPA ahenema kokoben of Santa say oboase ekwan so 0249600789 na on a bafu polo and so enkasa quality dental clinic ebe boama oseno wonso watimi ajenyo nyina kama wa osefemfem wonso akaka ba dodom emona botokuro e wo se ase udidi na okododom ho no ma yana eyejawo na wote so obeso ya polishing obeso ya cleaning aye x-ray ana obeso twane nyina no obekọ quality na fe dental aye implant NHS bridges aka nyina no aye quality and so aye osensem no fa kwadano na omonso nhwe emo a udru patase a aye ketre amageman body na mu eho ana onsabeka no frɛ no ewo 0538250078 Miza.
Yes, Fancy Henry Asante Tuma can say bebre. Now I think say it starts from the decision to even appoint Otuado as the head coach for the Black Stars.
Oh man of that contract.
The council no jumedi ombedino. I'm beginning to understand say I think the council no munya bent on Otuado so bit my bibi dia boy. But baby omujina say no. Hardly would they be able to go to the government and go and say this or that because they say an assistant. Obi involved in the government be a campaign and because in the constituency honorable Mustafa Yusuf na mukura wa hwene ya na seat no. Waman and Yambre bit me free nisa. But the whole scenario and everything surrounding this decision, any the course will say, yeah, train any ministry I engage, the woman in any. Milovan Rayavat, Ebe Kochi Black Stars. Fancy. Asha Selenan Komoni is a Kwesiapia and head coach in Farmer Black Stars. The presidency was in support of Kwesiapia being the head coach of the Black Stars. En Komono, Omudi do a chirebi kakra. Na en Komono do a chire kakra mu on na Ketokreku jitumi say Kwesiapia party on in the Bay Juma party. A very highly difficult. Inti omudo munya bote initially ansakwa na Kwesiapia issue be na before sika akono na Kwesiapia discussion wo mu ayeja no kwa maneko before Milovan we thought Kwesiapia coming back to stabilize the ship and kebetimi they qualify for the AFCON because so check us at that time and nipa na obetima ye adwuma no within a space of time was Kwesiapia and omusi da bia ko family ombra on na qualification ye wo mu nya wie so Milo and be qualify e de ekoye then ye koye ye nim kogu ase no Milo sika ne de ntia na aban na adwin se onfi omo ne yese mode sika akọ na obeba na yedika ka chem se kamo makwasi nto aso nya adwuma no ma makwasi antoa de to so mienu musi sika nya ade ne pe local coach amana coach team no ye makwasi so beto aso amosa am ye ya wo ese kwasi de munye dai mompe no so if you have your choice na matimi akose bia agent na okopa Milovan de ne baaye no masa akofre no asa ko kase second coming yes anko family mfa ne mrama ne medical twitwiri die se dia mode na ba na mapamo no na ne sika no ehun issues aba ne de moko FIFA ye twema so kakra na mosua bibi dia ye dey e de afrim that is the main reason why Putin's appointment na FA ne mpe ba na wo so omuditum because Milo de ne be da ho no omudi so anyansa hunu se ya ne de sika kotwa ya bra e pamo no. It is a ministry no name penifo mudi aban na mu pushi say yemfa Krisutin dia. Yempeso wo say e dey. Ye gene sa na esum ne de because ka bi ba akira. Anenti na wo boka da ho no one more Krisutin kadin. Ana Krisutin de no mo ne ka. What must say? Krisutin na mo ne ka. And besides, Milovan Rayavat is not the only coach in the car. Fancy Di Maria. Odi akọ FIFA akọ twa ne kadem e bia sika akọ no wo ho ba sika akọ no fe enko FIFA ya so di sika akọ no ka en kwasi apia mo no ke bia ka be anuano mo nkomo Ghana for e den aka ne be dey ye betwa babronyi de wa beji ni sika ono obetwe ni mi na ogya ho no mko sisi ame na wo ka say yenkofa Ghana ni coach ni team ni nye yenkofa bi from fanembra mo de criteria ba beguo ewiase mu nsem nyina ye kan musi otuado na mo ye dey muhia no makofo otuado sa so de na ye dey aba isi otuado na ye 38 months o ka se wo sa kena skano betwa na dodo sei o betwa na mprahe o betwa fan tembia inti ne ka kire mo se mo decisions na mo take no munya abotre munyi sentiment infanto nchen munyi cronyism and phantom chenny favoritism and appoint the right people for the job. Cameroon, they had huge issues between Samuel Eto'o and the federation in Penifo Mokromo. After the AFCON, it even affected the relationship between Samuel Eto'o and Rigobert Song. Fancy. By nay in Tokwana da so ho. By coach Papa ba no. Obi adwe free se Cameroon Samuel Eto'o ni obi won tokwa. And results in a day. So if you bring a good coach, that can give us results. Ghanaians will forget about all these brouhaha and namon Chinese and your man and cocoa solo. San your man and namon chen baby. Any Nkwane country we have problems between the ministry and the federation. It's not only here. But this is where the appointment will land us. Ti omo afanya adisuya council no musuru, they can't miss musuru. Unless you say the party in power still maintains their power. Maybe on one doing some maintaining the panel, that's all. That is when they can have their way around it. If not, if someone else is being appointed or something is being done, then end of the Marcus Nila Tevanda po assembly so. And fancy Nila Tevanda po assembly no can do na many yardre. But the fact is say Anna we as so on quality players they are but any start. Let's be honest with ourselves. Republicans sa team na ehwan dia ene Kwame Nkrumah mu team on be setting up meboa ye ko AFCON na ye ko akwaje first AFCON na dominated by hwan mo enye Republicans for no. The issue here is omu di animu edi players ne bre national team na na so omu piepie omu players na ti kwade ba no kra ne yese dodo na anya ade omu nya ade no so no omu sambo omu ho ncheye. The positive impact of what Republicans the national team near say they were in the local league. Anana no ma bom ho ache. Ana ne de omu tu kwa trips. Ye de omu ko preseason ba. Inti enya baabi a wakotu abasa, wakotu tire, wakotu enan. Ana abeka kesi ani. Ba weni yakekesi ani, kekesi ani na yakekesi ani, yakesi ani ama na ba bedu ni nan. Tie bia mpaboa eni atade ana ade be hye no. But se say de na aye ne de ye tu abasa ne ye tu tire ne ye tu wei abreso etire ne nye adwen da tire nim kura na me no kasa kura sabi adwen ne nya adwuma ensa no so a eye amputated ne de aba be hye honom. So we are not even bringing in the quality players in me say de na be mu kan we are hypocrite fancy me udai na what team a won pese o do play aba ko shem. It is happening everywhere. Yanti Chrome was in a play a meson in the Bobo Epi Ali Day.
Ali Day. I
was in the bush and George Ria. As on the name was Saddam to the Sunderland. I didn't see my 5 minutes. It is everywhere. What am I say? But the quality of these players, the level of commitment of these players, any idea about media player and it say, I didn't hear that by who performance in a bad day. Very important
for course no verse
fancy nkomo na ekoso around yam blasters yam football no ye wo kwancha football no said yesi hunu sa ase adu ba bi no a tip of the iceberg. Yes,
samum
a tip
no
of
we
ni kra in some na Henry Asante Twumu kana ma wo hu se ye bebre because ye appoint coach ama blasters na every no wo mon krofo on pese oba efe ni wo mon krofo mpese oba nti wo a wo sika na onipa beba because ye pamo na wo na betua when Milo buy na ye pamo Milo no efe for ni tua because om na kofa na buy ye pamo recruiting aban na betua because aban na company se wo mra nti we di en football na nimu aye bebre eno mo nyo maden so mo ba bejai afi no ba be hyemu kena ya kuma no no mo di agro nti da bia meka se ye mpanimfo na nwino bia ho de beboa wo mo because Milo beba yi president ne be ka say we nya matrama koe wanya Milo koe it was total mess and total disaster ene bae nti hwe otuado aba hwe contract ide ma otuado so now so otuado be kwa si etuasika de ma no nti otuado wo ho because sika ye ni de betua ne kantin ke performance penki apam no. And you say, when a dear football and then we have a long way to go. Because upon a yard, or you're competent enough to mind that position now, but because he needs to pay him off, he needs to continue as a blasters coach. And so, way any idea, now he's going to learn Juman or the baby Siadia. Miss Yadre do baby as a moved on a Saturday, baby 2 years a chum. Now blasters, ya suffer papa panzana, yet many babies what imagine. And to Reno, young say a sapomuzo. Ye shemusu ne hu se ye ba bebre because ye kore ye blasters ra manfo di agro no sane city asem si a enkyeremu na be ba no ene ma manfo nya arekyeremu se ni mo be dane o but the Henry Asante Twumu ye no no ma fa kom Nilam te van that point no ye nkrofo bi ye hi omo was sports ministry ho e be boa yen and na sem na o kan o fa ni agro because no and no ko ka chen se sika bi esi di treat ya ka bi one year
bansan what me about sports ministry
e no ni asem no Ghana nem de high because wa ban ni mu a ya woni ma adwuma na pa den tina sports ministry wono so we be doctor and also be minister for health and abibia he needs to get the background of abia or yet doctor na abibi obey teacher obey education minister but sports what there you go for bia and yet na ba so me sports ministry
mate
e de ba asem ni
wo menya ntie se takwa dompem
takwa dompem no wo ayimfa takwa nkasa na takwa nkasa okay me nua bema Ivan e wo say takwa dompem Grace Ben Enterprise odro na cheso mo say da bia mo see from kra anti ma bi me da ma say abrebia mo here live on Sompa TV. Yes, fan course 0551931931 0548931931. Hello.
Champion.
Openi.
Ambajana ni kutuki.
Ana ni etio.
Ani president fata ba ko issue ewo issue just now. Ona bo aka ma me chane nda oni te. Me ka je dia te me nga fata pa. Me sabe grewu ni. Ya kan tira Ricardo Vara se na da fro in the best day. Jama you better man in the kano okay there is no way to know you better have a because it's a fire you know you better fast or no not any grab break that I can cook for and you think you better know the mate after the bra and then you money just like this move it's not here and the 21
okay another from bra our officer Edumel presence officer takwa wa test me say closer to dumping antinam say ben ho no okay takwa ben dumping okay match officer bibia fire o here oh hello
yes sir
opening yetio
what's the call there
nyame adom yentio
wait Robert me ka see to you guys me be me am boss I both at 32 ne adabu je save me na pass what that room sport one obiti guy ya chinana
no dey say it depended
because okay be a bit me ba fancy abu so be 1 year and then for 1 year we take time so I got football to bazar go to the same play for I want to say you go say the bit can fancy that's why I teach you to play ku ba di jine jabadia e ke ni problem ba obiaro obele jumani ye o so ni ade e je obiaro to amano no obiaro ni obiaro because America ka you know, you can't bazaar. If you see the Congo, you see the Congo. There's a lot of football. So, what we are going to do? That's it. The performance, you see her. But you the kind. We have a long way to go.
Okay. Hello, caller. Hello. Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Opening Yensio. Okay.
And I can't make any of the butchers for my time. I want you to know how I look at the because you can't on the other fine.
Okay. Mate, say. Hello.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, officer. It's you.
Oh,
about
I send you. The